was wondering.
Just I wanted. Hello?
I have thought not only. Sorry. No, I don't know. Um, but also in a very more country as well. And I thought this event in Taipei, talking about automotive readiness. I will you will the automotive things on readiness, and you can use the verify on your base readiness. And this is two years ago picture. I have looked at the makeup machine then, and at the event, and there were the committee leader and makeup machine then. I have thought to the question talking about my project and integrating Raspberry audio project. First, I will introduce again the Raspberry Pi and the Pi update. Because Raspberry Pi 550 gigabyte Pi have released on this and the early this year on the 9th January. What is the difference on the product? And the home product 8 gigabyte type, 4 gigabyte type, or the 8 2 gigabyte type. And it is good for the release for the new CPU updates. And the home CPUs are 2712 type in the constant on the unused version. And unused for associate area. So learned by the Broadcom and discussed with the unlimited areas on the to omit it. So it usually is all CPU usually killed by the unused area. And now they don't have to care about if unused area in the file. I will demonstrate the difference on the scissors and the two or two 712 C1 CPU with the two 712 different set and in different you can click on the command and the different CPU. I will go to the reset you can see on the VPU unit and if you check all CPU is small and basically I had you can see the CPU QPU command. Now, so it is what. Here, if you see the CPU set P1 CPU, the result is QPU is 15. Sorry, 16. And TMU is right in the 4. What is the QPU is the Q by how it calculated for the CPU value. And I will demonstrate later that about the QPU with their code about the UR code. Later. So this is good news for the COVID. Our opinion chip based on the Raspberry Pi Pico. XGP based on the Raspberry Pi Pico. Now, it first released some the controller is closed. But now it is open. You can see GitHub about this the hardware thing, which definitely can be but before you can program to I/O the whole like the level by Pico, so you can program it the I/O on the level by 5 and 500. So please check the GitHub this year. Fairly now open. And the Zipper people are now the supported in good form and supported by good form on the Ubuntu on the and harmonious also and support and equal with the 500. Ah, sorry. And now and check and so you can see that for the and that is by time and so real time and it is included by soldering or something and the with Sony technology and now that is by 5 and that is the product is all made in UK and the Sony paper. Now improving quality of the product with Sony technology. And so you can use active cooler and the good in OS, but you do you can see it's cooler and what and Ubuntu or the Android, but it doesn't work all on the program because of the story and then down to firmware things. So you see once I read so you have to see OS on a Raspberry Pi, it's stopped. But you see the Ubuntu on the Android the phone is always working. So because it is well also we it is well the connect together with the Sony and the family. So it is safe and proprietary platform. So it is partly works on the Android electric cooler. So now it's a better way to put system in SD card. Sorry, it's SD card or HDMI or some USB boot or other card. And well, some of people so they wondering the SD card is useful. And now Raspberry and five or later and it's too much chewing support on Raspberry 5 or later. If you follow on your even the SD card is not efficient the using on the Raspberry 5 product and you're even well it's and it's it's rapidly counting is the SD card limitation a bit. So you're rapid sorry the SD card is not efficient. So but even now still improving the SD card using if you use the SD card and you can try every one too, and in a sticker. And you know the sticker and also now using for the delivery and you see at the phone there are several partner products and using on the delivery system. And it's only one for it's not only one for the SD card, but also even some of them are produced two put SD card which can use on the NVMe to share how supported on other profiles. So yeah. And we uh, we are very much nervous that you bring on this power supply system because it is something never saw it using by five on the power supply usage. It's 5 volt ampere to the 5 volt 5 ampere system, which the unit so it's recommended the 27 watt, 27 watt is power supply system. If, so does it like do not recommend such as for the but for charging system which you are uncle or the progress because it works good but some products cannot use on the other system because of they check the file by probably the file routing on the PD communication some doesn't work on their own PD communication in the text on the file display. I will also demonstrate it. And next thing for even the unit series only now this is minor update on CM5, not CM5. So now the company now update and minor update. Yeah, that's a common unit and it's a CM3 based product, but CPU changes on the other voltage CPUs and the computer module 4S and the third port programmed by computer module 3. And the same for even now the these on the engine side, which the it is patient on the temperature and what. And here, you take suggestion for different kits for video users. You see in the 500, you can see in the boots on the anonymous, it works on the good on the Linux, and it's useful, and if you feel noisy on the PWM cooler, and it's very improving. It's very improving on the wellness. It's the big, it's a keyboard, there's heat sink cooler, not using a computing fan, improving it for the cooling system, rather than computing mode, rather than ordinary 5 or 5 product. And it is a bit faster than the 5 product. So if you use something like programming and the client like the QPU or AI and so everything, it may be better to using another tablet. If using if you use something like benchmark, it is a bit smoother than another file. So my members are using another platform to W only. So members are trying to this project use something like Spanish and the Japanese English line. And so I would like to introduce even the favorite project issue that be on the use and both now putting the basic OS on the Raspberry Pi Pico project and it was good on the Raspberry Pi and the Pico and now trying to work on the Raspberry Pi Pico 2W and and it has the quite memory and responsive than all the rather than so I cannot say what in the so sorry and the other so I would introduce the one because partners and the concern is that the kindly and the kindly continues for the I'm sorry.
Hello everyone. So we are the Raspberry Pi authorized reseller in Thailand. So she's my application manager. Is there any Thai people here that require translation? So she can help to do the slide translation for you. Is there any Thai? Thai? Do you need, do we still have time for translation?
No.
3 minutes. Oh, okay. After the event, yeah, we have a table there with the Raspberry Pi 500. Yeah, you can talk to me. Thank you very much.
So thank you very much. So I will see and you can talk to the background so if you in Thailand and they can bring and introduce the other product if you want to other so thank you very much and see you next in the COSCAP if you come to if you with someone in the August and the golden line and presentation and my Japanese truck and see in Taiwan. And thank you very much. Okay, I will do demonstration for you. I will demonstrate. So I will demonstrate but I will not for you. Sorry for that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. And how long?